Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bag on the application of Wallet or Google Wallet. So we click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Google Wallet and we click here. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Google Wallet. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.